Hello! At the request of many of our subscribers, here is a guide to easily and quickly send a large file via WeTransfer. For those unfamiliar with WeTransfer, it is the most popular platform for uploading large files. We open our browser and go to WeTransfer.com. First, we have to accept the cookies if we want. Next, we have to agree on the terms of use. You can read them first if you want to. Then open the folder with the file you want to send and drop the file in the WeTransfer window. We fill in the recipient's email and our own email. We change the title of the message if we want, and we write the message that the recipient will see. If we're not registered and verified users of WeTransfer, then we will have to fill in a verification code that we will receive in our email. If you frequently send large files, we recommend that you sign up. It's free and will save you an extra step. The email with the verification code has arrived. We fill it in the corresponding field and the uploading of our file begins. The duration of the upload depends on the size of the file and the speed of our internet connection. Once the upload is complete, then a message arrives to us confirming that the file has been sent. The recipient receives an email as well with information on the file we have sent. The recipient clicks the button in the received message to download the file. They must, of course, also accept cookies and the terms of use. Then the file we have sent appears and the recipient has the option to download it. Once downloaded, another message arrives to let you know that the recipient has downloaded the file. That's it. With a few very simple steps, you have managed to send a large file. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you want, click on the bell icon to be notified about our new videos. Until next time, bye!